Hello! I'm Dominique Malou, CEO and founder of Medoc, and she is Artin Rabemanatsu, our CMO. We are the Medoc team. We live and work in Antananarivo, the capital of Madagascar.
You know what? Here in Antananarivo, you have to avoid getting sick. We are joking, but in reality, if you get sick, if you're pregnant or if your child is sick, you have to queue up before you can see a doctor. And if you don't know one, and that's often the case here, you will have to ask someone close to you if he or she knows one, which is not always the case. If this is what happens to us in the capital, I'll let you imagine what the people in the enclaved areas live. Indeed, you should know that in Madagascar, there are only 0.161 doctors for 1,000 inhabitants, most of whom are in urban areas. This puts the 80.5% of Malagasy population in rural areas at a terrible disadvantage. But that's not all. The current health system is deficient in terms of organization and patient follow-up. This worsens the already critical situation in the country. And unfortunately, these problems affect most African countries. To try to solve these problems, we created Medoc. The aim of Medoc is to enable the population to access medical services and to allow them to benefit from quality care, whether it is near or far. Concretely, we have created free solution. For online appointment booking, the patient registers for free online on our platform medoc.mg and accesses our services directly. If it's free for the patient, then how do we make money? Well, it's the health professionals who pay us a monthly subscription fee, which costs between $13.5 US and $40.5 US. In this Analamaga region only, there are 8,578 prospects, or $1,580,000 US per year in value. As far as PharmaClick is concerned, the marketplace site for care, well-being, and beauty product available 24/7, we have set up a partnership with various pharmacies, shops, and brands. To make PharmaClick profitable, we take 5% of the sales made on the site. There are also advertising offers which are priced from $3.79 US per week. To give you an idea of the size of the market, there are 263 pharmacies in Madagascar, as well as various shops that we have not yet been able to count. Finally, let's talk about our latest service, Allo Doctor. Our aim is to solve the problems of people in remote areas where doctors are scarce. It's a real remote consultation with our medical team, doctors, and specialists. Each year, the number of our users of the Allo Doctor service is expected to be 12,600,000, and each call is charged at $0.25 US per minute.
On the market, they offer alternatives such as Gomed, Idoctir, Kalesoc, or Madadoc, which operate in e-health sector. They offer either online medical appointments or the sale of parapharmaceutical products, but not both. Moreover, they have some shortcomings, such as the inaccessibility of their service in remote areas and the unsuitability of their solutions for any type of medium. So far, Medoc is the only one to offer a complete solution for people in both remote and urban areas. To reach these figures announced in the solutions, it will be necessary to invest in technological development like host, SMS, and email API, hardware tools like computer, local server, and so on. The human resources, the communication and marketing, and premise and furniture. The total cost will be $13,000 US or so. To ensure the development of Medoc, we have made a complementary backgrounds a synergy. Me, Dominique Manouf, who is the CEO and founder, I'm specialized in digital transformation, institutional relations and business management. Mr. Miazonanson, who is our CTO, is also a full-stack developer. He is in charge of the website development and the web application design. The health officer and our medical representative within the National Order of Physicians, Dr. Mananjan, who is a state qualified physician and is specialist in face and neck surgery. Then there is Attila Bemanansu, the CEO, specialist in market analysis and implementation of sales and communication strategies. Finally, there is Stephanie Rakunjasu. She is in charge of developing our sales at international and national level.
Apart from the team, we have entities that support us like Africa by IncubMe, a Pan-African incubator. Moreover, Stephanie, our business developer, will soon be going to Algeria for a 2-month incubation period to develop MEDOC in partnership with the company Hush. Orange Fab, a startup incubator within Orange. There is also USA Chefs Plus project. And finally, the Malagasy incubators have Tout, where we are currently incubated.
So, thank you from Team MEDOC, like you say in French, à vos
À vos
marques,
marques, prêt, santé.